Need something easy and simple to carry as a snack? Yes, we're doing today a nut butter yogurt spice. Please quickly go and see our recipe. So I have here almond protein nut butter. You could also see the video of how we have done the almond protein nut butter above. There's a link to it. Epigama Greek yogurt natural. Next I have cinnamon powder. Lastly I have walnut. So to the nut butter I'm going to add some Greek yogurt. Going to be 2 to 3 tablespoons of the same so that it gets covered nicely. Next I'm going to drizzle some amount of cinnamon powder. Lastly I'm going to add some walnuts. If you have some blueberries, you could also do a layer of blueberries and then add some more Greek yogurt. So it's easy, super quick and a really healthy snack. So you saw the recipe of the nut butter yogurt spice. It's easy, simple, it's a quick snack. It can be had in the afternoon or also can be taken in the evening depending on the program you're following. We do videos on nutrition, training, information, Mahek Sport Pilates. That means everything you need on one platform, that's BodyProCoach. So till then, see you next time. Mahek signing off.